What's up, guys? So for the people that have been following me, you've seen my last couple videos. I've been trying to get the mic situated with the GoPro. I have the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and I had the external mic hooked up, and when I was riding and trying to talk, all I heard was wind. They can't even hardly hear me, just crazy wind. So it forced me to get my full face helmet out, put the mic inside the helmet. No better. Still just wind. I'm like, something's going on. I see other YouTubers, they put it in there, at least some wind, a little bit of wind maybe, but not like mine. Just can't hear anything but wind. Let me show you, let's see if we can figure this out. Alright guys, so sorry I'm a little zoomed in here, but I want to show you the GoPro more rather than me. So I'm going to turn it on. Alright, it's on. Alright, now they say if you go to settings, scroll down to go to settings, and then preferences, and then if you go to, sorry, I can't see here myself, input, the audio input says NA, and it can't select anything, right? Okay, now I'm going to plug in, I'm going to turn it off just in case. It's off. I'm going to plug the mic in. Now, this is where I wasn't sure if it's not working good because I'm plugging the microphone directly in to the GoPro, and the mic adapter had something to do with it, blocking wind or making the audio better, converting something. So that's why I bought the mic adapter. But I think it's because that input audio is not working. So it's not recognizing that the mic is plugged in. So now that the mic's plugged in, we'll try again. Preferences. Scroll to input. And again, input is still NA. So I've seen somebody say that if you unplug the battery real quick, maybe wait a minute or two. Did I just turn it back on? Yes, I did. And I just turned it on, I'm recording. Off. Alright. So they say pull out the battery. Come on. I'll wait a second or two. Hope this works. Then I'm going to try with the mic how I had it a couple times. And then maybe I'll try with the mic adapter to see if the mic adapter does have any kind of... Alright, let's see. So we put the battery back in now. Alright, give it a second just in case it needs to recognize anything. Now let's go see. Oh, shit. I should have plugged the mic back in first, huh? Let me turn it back off. Little DMX in me. Alright, plug the mic back in. Let's see if we got that input now working. Preferences and input. Nope, still NA. So I think that's why why is it not? Maybe I have to, they say you might have to download or refresh software or something. But damn, I thought that was gonna work. Oh, pulling out the battery and plugging it back in for me didn't work. Alright, so I just updated the firmware update, whatever. I tried to, it updated the firmware on the GoPro. I'm gonna try to plug in the mic and see if it works, because it's still not working without a mic. But I figured let me plug the mic in first and then try to turn it on, see if it's gone. Still says input audio NA, and I can't select microphone. Turn it off. I'm gonna try to unplug the battery again. Wait a minute. Oh God, sucks, man. I don't understand what the hell's going on. But it explains my problem. No matter what I did, I couldn't get rid of the wind noise, because even though I had the mic inside the helmet, it was still using the regular microphones on the GoPro, because it wasn't recognizing that I had an external mic inside the helmet. So I was just recording from the microphones on this, which was outside the helmet, getting all the wind. Makes sense, but how the hell do you fix it? Took the battery out, plugged it back in, still audio input NA. And it won't let me freaking click it. Alright, I don't know what else to do. Alright guys, so after turning it off and saying I didn't know what else to do, I forgot I had the GoPro Mic Adapter. So I tried that, plug it in, and lo and behold, now it says input audio, standard mic, and now I can select it. So now hopefully it reads that the mic is there, and whether I have it under my shirt if I choose not to wear a helmet, or if I wear the helmet, it should be like everyone else on YouTube now. So I figured when I originally bought the Purple Panda mic on Amazon, and it came with this little adapter. It's got the USB-C and the headphone jack. So I figured, why do I need to buy that thing for $50 when it comes with this? Well, even with this, the update and all that, it still wasn't recognizing it. As soon as I plugged in the GoPro adapter, it worked right away. So I guess it does have something to do with it. I guess you kind of need that. So now let's try it out a little. Alright guys, so after I got the mic to be recognized by the GoPro, this was the first attempt. I had the mic inside the helmet, but I don't know what happened. I have no audio at all now on this this video. Let's try this out. Miles an hour. Wow, it's hard to talk with the cold air going in your mouth. Woo! My eyes are tearing up. It's cold. This kid's wrestling. set up the same way with the purple Panda mic with the foam cover inside the marker cap and the thumb from a nitrile glove over that. But this time I'm not wearing a helmet, and I just have the mic underneath my hoodie. 50. Interesting to see without the helmet what the wind noise is like. Doing like 20 right now. Just cruising. Oh, nice Durango. I like the Durango. I know it's just a short ride, but I just wanted to test out. $30 miles an hour right now. Woo. It is chilly. What's up, guys? So I'm really excited now because I finally got the mic to work on the GoPro, and the ride I took, even without the helmet and the mic just pinned underneath the hoodie, it was totally better. No wind noise. I mean, you could hear the wind, but not like before, because the mic just wasn't working and the GoPro mics were the ones working, and that was obviously in the wind all the time, even though the mic was under my hoodie or in the helmet. So no matter what I did, it wasn't working, and it was driving me nuts. But the GoPro Mic Adapter, I guess you need that, because it sucks that you have to have that bulky thing connected to it, because the Panda mic that I have, it came with the USB-C plug, so I don't understand why that plugged into the GoPro. It would be a lot better, but it's not some big thing hanging from it. But whatever works. Right now, that's what I got. It's what's working. So at least now I can ride and talk and less wind noise. So I'm excited now. I can't wait to go for a ride. I gotta work tonight, so can't do much. But tomorrow, Sunday, I'm off. It's gonna be like 54 degrees, and it's not supposed to rain until night. So maybe able to get a ride in tomorrow. Bikes and beaches. Thanks for watching, guys. Big shout out to 2 guys from YouTube that I was trying to talk to about this problem, and they were commenting back and trying to help me out. One is Whisky Chaser from New York. Thanks a lot. And 2 is Moto Travels. I think he's in Canada somewhere. But go check those guys out. Whisky Chaser and Moto Travels. They were commenting back and trying to help me out a lot, so I appreciate it. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Ride safe.